Oh.
King beer.
Bush beer.
Alright, because Anheuser-Busch.
Oh no, it's Busch that's the king of beers. Sorry.
Oh, the king of beers, right?
It's Bud.
Yeah.
Bud
Bud.
is.
Is it Bud? Okay. I thought it was
Yeah.
Bud.
King of beers, but
It's always the bottle cap. Flip it upside down on top of the glass bottle, right? King of beers.
yeah. Budweiser, because you deserve what every individual should ever receive.
Hey!
Nice.
That's a good sound.
Yeah, I believe that.
Arrow goes there, the bird goes there.
Black.
Phil.
Oh, sick. Cleaning up.
Yeah. Yeah, the city garden. Yeah, absolutely. Might make it smell better.
But then it'll make it smell better in there. It's got kind of a musty
Coming right behind, around you, bud.
It's way back
It's
there.
way past, apparently.
Way back there.
Wow, it's like a
that's
dead
it.
end.
Almost on the road. I'm not going to
I don't think it has that kind of leg.